is I make this crab. I just pick the crab from
Now,
the
you don't have
crab.
to roast the crab and
No,
pick the
you don't have
crab,
to do all that.
Virginia. It comes in tubs from the seafood counter.
Yes. And if you're like my mom, who used to get it in the can, that's okay. But just add a little more garlic and lemon.
Yes, it needs a little help.
Needs
Wake
a little
it up
more
from
help
the can.
to it.
Right.
So I just put in some dill, and you can put in the herbs that you like. I like to put in some dill and chive because it's super light herbs. They're not too heavy.
If you love ranch dressing, you love dill and chive.
Yes, you do.
Yes, you do.
Yes, you do. And a little bit of garlic. We just do a little bit of garlic in there.
Garlic's good for everyone.
Everything. A little bit of lemon zested in there, and then just Greek yogurt. So that goes in. Greek yogurt. Make it light and healthy. I love to make this, and then what I do is I just put it right on the toast. So just make some toasted crostinis, you know, with a little olive oil. Throw it in your oven. And also, we have a non-dairy, gluten-free version over here.
Thank you, Lord.
I have that. Okay. I have that for the girls here. So if you do have, everybody has, you know, a lot of people at your parties and your holiday always have some kind of dietary restriction.
Obviously.
The difficult
These girls
dietary
there.
people.
So then I just put a
All
little
you have to do is put it on endive or endive if you're snotty pants.
On Dave. And then
Dave.
no dairy in it. No dairy. Just do a little olive oil or lemon, you know, things like that, just to dress it up.
Mayonnaise.
Okay, then what I do also is I have this caviar. I just started a caviar line with California Caviar. Yes! This is a woman-run business. I started with these ladies who were making caviar. They showed me how to make caviar. I had such an appreciation for it after I made it. But this is sustainable, and what I want to do is make caviar more affordable and more approachable. You know, so that some.
That's my girl.
There you go. Cheers.
Ready?
Oh yeah.
Woo!
So good. So good.
That is
Buttery.
so good.
That's the way to do it.
Crisp and clean and delicious.
Delicious. I'm gonna pass them over to you ladies here. Isn't that
You're
delicious?
going to tell us where we can get that, yeah?
At my website, catcora.com. I'm
right.
supporting these ladies. It's amazing.
Catcora.com.
I don't even love caviar. I don't, honestly. And I gotta say, this is the first time I've had caviar where it doesn't taste so extremely fishy. And that's what I can't stand that taste. Does anyone else have that thing?
Yes.
Well, I will tell you.
That was so good.
Let me tell you a little bit about it, because caviar, what people don't know is caviar has a lot of nutritional value. So it has a lot of fish oils. There's 7 grams of protein per 2 tablespoons. So, and lower in fat.